Next gland is adrenal gland. Our body has a pair of adrenal glands present at the top or the anterior part of kidney. At the top of kidney, each kidney there is present one adrenal gland, and these glands they are composed of two types of tissues. अगर हम इस gland को इसका TS लें, LS लें, तो it is seen that it is composed of two types of tissues. Outer layer is of adrenal cortex and inner layer is of adrenal medulla. Now, adrenal medulla, it secretes two hormones. Two hormones are adrenaline, which is also known as epinephrine, and the second hormone is noradrenaline, also called norepinephrine. And these two hormones together, they are commonly called as catecholamines. They are catecholamines. These are called catecholamines. Now, this epinephrine or adrenaline, it is secreted during emergency situations faced by the body like extreme joy, anger, fear, or any kind of stress. When the body faces any emergency situation or any kind of stress, then adrenaline and or we can say epinephrine, these are released. These are also called, these two, they are also called emergency hormones, or these are also known as hormones of flight. Hormones of flight as well as hormones of fight. Now, these emergency hormones, what is their function? They increase alertness of the body. They lead to pupillary dilation. Dilation is फैलना. Pupil कहाँ present है? Pupils are present in the eyes. जो in the eyes there is the white portion में there is iris, and in the center of the iris there is present pupil. डर के मारे जो है, जैसे हम कहते हैं आंखें फटी रह जाती हैं, that is pupillary dilation, यानी आंखों का फैलना. It also leads to पाइलो इरेक्शन, रोंगटे खड़े होना. जब हमें डर लगता है या इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन कोई भी फेस हम करते हैं, तो शरीर के जो बाल हैं हमारी बाहों पर दे get erect, that is they get raised up. The raising of hairs is called piloerection. It also leads to sweating. Yani during emergency situations, the adrenaline or epinephrine, it leads to increase in alertness of the body, pupillary dilation, piloerection and sweating. And these two hormones, adrenaline and noradrenaline, their common functions are, common function is increase in heartbeat. They increase the rate of heartbeat. They increase the strength of heart contraction. They increase the strength of heart contraction. They also help in increase of rate of respiration, and they help in breakdown of glycogen. Breakdown of glycogen, when it breaks into glucose, it increases the blood glucose level, and they also stimulate the breakdown of lipids and proteins. They also help in breakdown of lipids and proteins. Now, the adrenal cortex, this outer tissue of adrenal cortex, it is further made up of three layers. The three layers and the three layers are called: innermost is zona reticularis, middle one is zona fasciculata, and the outer layer is zona glomerulosa. And each layer secretes a hormone, and hormones released by the adrenal layer. The hormones together, these are called corticoids. The main corticoids are the glucocorticoid and mineralocorticoid. Glucocorticoids in our body, they are the main glucocorticoids, and these help in the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. And mineralocorticoids, they maintain water and salt balance in our body. Main mineralocorticoid is aldosterone. Let us see their functions. Glucocorticoid, the functions are: glucocorticoids, they help in gluconeogenesis, that is generation of glycogen. They help in lipolysis. Lysis means breakdown of fats. Genesis is formation, and they also help in utilization of amino acids. They inhibit cellular uptake and utilization of amino acids. They also help in maintaining cardiovascular system of the body, and they also control the functions of kidneys. They produce, another function is they produce anti-inflammatory reactions. They produce anti-inflammatory reactions, and they suppress immune responses. They suppress the immune responses of the body. And the mineralocorticoids or aldosterone, let us see its function. Mineralocorticoids or aldosterones, they act on renal tubules. Renal tubule कौन से थे? Proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule, and they help in reabsorption of sodium ions and water, and help in excretion of potassium ions and phosphate ions. They help in reabsorption of sodium ion and water, and excretion of potassium ions and phosphate ions, and they help in maintenance of electrolytes and body fluid volume, osmotic pressure and blood pressure. They control the amount of electrolytes in the body, that is the salt balance, sodium and chloride ion. They maintain body fluid volume. They maintain the osmotic pressure of the body, and ultimately the blood pressure of the body. The third type of hormone released by the this adrenal cortex is androgenic steroids, and these androgenic steroids, these are also known as the sex corticoids. The functions of sex corticoids are: they play a role in growth of axial hair, pubic hair and the facial hair during puberty. They control the growth of hairs on the various parts of the body during puberty.